Okay, Euro US dollar now. Last week I was looking to go long here, basically because of the fact on the weekly chart here. You can see here we've broken the lower back support and we're still waiting for a bit of a retracement. I need to see the market coming up to at least that 1.3867, so still like 250 pips from where we are at the moment. We're on the 7th count now, so we'll move into the 8th count of the buy setup this week, which means we have to close lower than 1.3613, which is the close of the 5th bar. So, we may just move higher and cancel out this count, test this level and then move lower, that would be my ideal scenario here. But so we do still have a bit of room here. I was looking to go long on a retest of when we remove this level to the close on Thursday. You could see it was tested quite a lot. This level here, it was tested quite a lot and then removed. I lost 33 pips on trying to go long here, and yeah, so we actually removed the bullish thrusts low to the close following that. Then now we've come back up above that level, so that level's obviously not really important to the market, so I've not even bothered to mark that one in. We've got a bearish thrust level here at 1.3711, which could sort of bring about potential for a move higher this week should it be removed to the close. But really, I'm not really so sure. I don't really think I would get involved in that trade anyway. I'd rather just wait now till we get higher. I'll see how the week goes. I mean, if we can test this level first and then remove it to the close, there would still be sort of scope, for 300 pips maybe before we actually breach that upper back resistance. I don't want that to happen, so should we remove that level, move up to the 1.4, test the 1.4 area, which means the upper back resistance would hold in place, and then have a good move lower towards the second target level, which is down there at 1.271. So yeah, so basically looking to sell here and possibly might look to buy if we test this level a couple of times and then remove it to the close. That would still, have a potential sort of 300 pips on it. But at that point though, I'd be start looking to go short if we do see any strength here, especially if the 9 count gets cancelled out here by a move higher this week. Then that tells you that the market's not exhausted at this level, and if it tests this level and fails again, then it could easily run a lot further. I mean, if we do complete the exhaustion sequence, then we could see like a better kind of move higher, eventually sort of failing, I still think. But because the exhaustion sequence would be cancelled, that would mean that the market could easily go lower. So looking at the monthly, we're just right in between the monthly range here. Really the levels that are holding the market up here. So yeah, so basically this week I'll keep an eye on this 1.3711 level and just see if it's tested a few times before it's removed, and then I would look to buy a retest for a move up to around 1.4. I don't really want to see this level hit, so I would start to take profits about 1.4. But yeah, so that's the plan for the week here on the euro dollar.